In this video, I am going to explain how to find out lambda max and how to carry out the assay of a given drug by using Cystonic double beam UV visible spectrophotometer. To carry out assay, we have to prepare at least 5 dilutions of the standard drug. We have taken the standard drug as paracetamol, and we have prepared 5 dilutions from 50 microgram per ml to 250 microgram per ml. To carry out the lambda max, we can choose any one of this dilution. We have to prepare one dilution for the sample also. To prepare the sample dilution, first we have to take 20 tablets. Take the average weight of the 20 tablets, then crush these tablets and take 100 milligram equivalent of the tablet powder. To carry out the assay, first we have to switch on the instrument and wait for 20 to 30 minutes for the initialization of the instrument. Double click on the software. The page will open like this. You have to select wavelength scan, then click OK. Then the page will open like this. In this, you can change the wavelength. For UV study, we have to select the wavelength range from 200 to 400, and for visible region, we have to select from 400 to 800. Then click OK. Open the chamber of the instrument. There are two compartments, one on the back side, that is the reference compartment, and one that is on the front side, that is the sample compartment. First, fill the cuvettes with the blank. In our case, the blank is water, distilled water. So fill both the cuvettes with distilled water. And place these cuvettes in the compartments. Then close the door of the chamber. Go to Operate menu. Then click Create System Baseline. And then Start. Save the record and then close it. After that, again go to Operate menu and click Set Blank. It will set 0 to the blank in whole range 200 to 400. After auto zero, open the lid of the chamber, remove the sample cuvette and fill it with standard dilution. Again, place the sample cuvette in the sample compartment and close the lid. Then go to operate menu and click start test. Lambda max of the sample is 299. Now to carry out the assay, first go to operate, then set lambda max as the wavelength. In our case the lambda max is 299, so set the wavelength 299 and click OK. Then click 0, then close it. Now remove the sample cuvette and replace the blank, that is distilled water, with the standard dilution one by one. Note down the absorbance. Similarly, note down the absorbance of all the standard solution one by one, and also note down the absorbance of the sample solution. These are the readings of our 5 standard dilution. Plot a graph between absorbance versus concentration. The value of the absorbance of our sample is 0.312. By extrapolating the absorbance from this graph, we can find out the concentration of the sample, and then by multiplying it with the dilution factor, the content of our sample, that comes out to be 97.5 milligram. So this is the whole procedure to find out lambda max and to carry out the assay of the given drug.